Hello everybody, it's Mr. Marks here. Here are the directions for getting into Schoology from a non-district computer. First, you got to go to the SPS website. That is seattleschools.org. Under the student drop-down menu in the top right-hand corner, click Schoology. If it asks you to sign in, use your school name followed by @seattleschools.org. This is very important. I want to thank my son Jacob for typing in his username and password, which you can't be able to see on the computer. Notice that he's typing in @seattleschools.org. You gotta type the whole thing in and make sure you do it exactly right. Then it goes to your organization sign-up page, and he'll have to type in now his password. As you can see, he has his sign in there, and then he types in his password that you all should know. And it's the same we've been using in class. If you don't have access to your password, you might want to contact tech support, and they can help you reset the password, or you can send me an email and they can do that as well. And it looks like the password is not setting here, so let's try it one more time before we have to start over again. All right, let's stop. Hello everybody, it's Mr. Marks here. I'm going over today some directions on how to get to Schoology using a non-district computer. First, you need to go to the SPS website, which is seattleschools.org. Then, under the student drop-down menu in the top right-hand corner, you need to click Schoology. I'd like to thank my son Jacob for doing this for us today using his district email or district login. Everyone in our class should have one. Remember, it's really important that you need to put the @SeattleSchools at the end. So you type in your username @seattleschools.org, and then it'll take you to your organization sign-in page, where you'll have to type in your password. And then click sign in. Try that again. All right. Hello everybody, it's Mr. Marks here. I wanted to go over today this little tutorial about the directions on how to log into Schoology using a non-district computer. First, you need to go to the SPS website, which is seattleschools.org. Then, under the student drop-down menu in the top right-hand corner, you need to click Schoology. If it asks you to sign in, use your school name followed by @seattleschools.org. For example, if I was a student, it might be 1S Simpson @seattleschools.org. So if I go to Students, click Schoology, it will then take me to a sign-in page where I'll have to type in my username and password. I have to thank my son Jacob for volunteering his computer today so he can access Schoology from his 5th grade account. He then takes you to the organization sign-in page, which you would type in your password. One second here. Click sign in. And your password should be the same one we used in class. If for some reason that it's not working, you should contact tech support, and they can help you reset your password, or you can send me an email and I can see what I can do. You should see 3 options. You got courses, groups, and resources. If you were to click on courses, you would see all the different pages that we have. This is my son's school, so his looks a little bit different, but this looks the same as we have in our class. So once there, you'll see several courses listed, such as homeroom, English language arts, science, and even social studies. So try that. If it doesn't work, send me an email at mgmarks@seattleschools.org. Thank you very much. Bye.